Hi everyone, today I will be answering the question that many of my students have asked. I am the head instructor of Ton Koi Thai Culinary Heritage Cooking School. I have been running my cooking school for a long time, and these are one of the questions that people ask me. Why do they have to wash rice grain before cooked it? So it seems like it's perfect when you first get it from store, especially store from Western world in England, in America. Then it will come quite clean if you choose like jasmine rice. This one I'm holding is local jasmine rice from the east of Thailand. And as you can see that we have living organism here. So it's the same thing that you could find in your flower if you have it for a long time, but you might not often see it because you finish it quite fast. These are I would do a research for the actual name of it, but it could live in wood, and in Thailand we have a lot of wood outside, and here is their heaven. So they just came in a rice, or they just came from your house and come to their heaven to eat all the protein from your rice, and it will leave some powder inside. There is no harm of eating rice that has them. So watching the rice before you cook them, first you get this little wee insect or bugs, if you like, out from your rice, and it will be just peeled white yummy rice after cook. And also you take the excess out, all the rice powder that left inside, because of this tiny insects eat them, and just powder them. It will be better when cooked. If you leave the powder inside, then your rice will be a little bit, like uh, watery and smushy. If you remain just grain, it will be nicer to have and enjoy it better. But if you have them in your rice, no worry, it doesn't do any harm for your health. Last but not least, every rice that domestic or import export, then they will have a little coat on the rice to prevent this wee guy from invade in your product. So even you have not seen these in your rice, but still it will be a good idea to wash your rice grain before you cook them, so you can enjoy them without any question. This is a good sign that you see them, because there's not much of chemical to coat over your rice grain, but all these has passed food safety. So I hope that answer your question, and enjoy your rice and stay healthy. Bye for now. Bye.